Hey guys, it's Heather. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a get it all done with me where I tackle all of the items on my to-do list. I have some cleaning and some tidying up to do, some laundry, all that kind of thing around the house, some organizing, and then I do have a bunch of errands to run and I want to try to get my car cleaned. So come along with me as I try and get a bunch of stuff done today. So I'm going to start off by tackling the upstairs and tidying up my bedroom, folding and putting away some laundry, all the usual types of stuff. And how cute is this leopard sweater that I got? It's an oversized sweater and it fits me now that I'm like 8 months pregnant. I cannot wait to wear it for fall. I feel like my room accumulates so much dust. It's probably the darker furniture or like the big windows, but I feel like I'll dust and then the next day I have to dust again. But we are definitely in the market for some new dressers. Believe it or not, these dressers are like 10 to 15 years old. I think I'm gonna go with like some dark grayish type color. I think that would look really nice. But right now I'm focusing on getting the baby's room together and all of that furniture, so my room will have to wait. So I'm just finishing up the final touches on my bedroom before I move on to cleaning the bathrooms. Oh my God, you guys, this candle smells so good. I burn this all the time. I need to purchase a new one. On Cold Snip, it doesn't smell as good as it smells when you're burning it. It is so good. So this is a typical cleaning routine that I do like weekly in the bathrooms. Lately, it has just been so much easier for me to just clean the showers when I'm in the shower. I don't know, that's just what's working for me right now. gonna head to the car wash now. I'm gonna go to the one where you drive through and they wash your car, and then they also vacuum it and they clean it out. You pay a little bit extra, but it's totally worth it, especially when I'm pregnant. It's too much for me. But sometimes they don't do the best job with like cleaning surfaces and stuff. So I did bring like my own rags and some Armor All just to wipe everything down in case they don't do the best job at that. They did a great job and my car is all clean and shiny. So I have a couple more things to get done upstairs before I tackle down here. Have you ever just had like a pan that's just so dirty that we just put like foil over it? Well, this time I didn't, but it is just like beyond cleanable. I think I'm just gonna toss it because I really don't feel like dealing with cleaning it. But I am gonna head back upstairs and finish cleaning the guest bathroom and my daughter's room and organizing some things, so then I can move on to All right, I went through everything, and this is all the stuff that I need to get bins for, because this is everything that she's grown out of that is a size 4. I still have some other stuff in the closet that are 4s, but I think it still fits her. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and get these ones put away and organized. And then I put some stuff into a donation bag in the other room, and I'm just going to finish straightening up her bed, going through just this area and vacuuming, and then we'll be done in here. Okay, so I am going to do a couple errands. I have to go to Home Goods and make a return. Some of the pumpkins that I had ordered for my fall decor. I need to just stop in there and return a couple of these peach ones. And then while I'm in there, I'm also going to be looking for some frames. I ordered these really cute pictures for baby boy's nursery, and I want to get some 11 by 14 inch frames. So hopefully they will have something there. If not, I'm gonna try to go into Christmas tree shops because they always have frames and they're really affordable. These would work, but I think that they only have 2 in this color. Yeah, so that's not gonna work. Okay, so I just got out of Home Goods. They didn't have any frames, but I did get some really cute hand towels for fall. And then I got a couple curtains. These are like the blackout ones. And for my daughter's room, and then I got a pair of the blush for my office. So that's about all the energy I have for getting things done today. I got a lot done. I'm very happy with it. And I just hope that I can continue at this pace whenever I have the energy, being 7 months going on 8 months pregnant. I gotta just get it done once I have the energy, because there's days where I don't feel like doing anything. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you found it motivating. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you want to see more of these types of videos. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe so that I know that you guys like my channel, and I will continue to make videos. And if you have any specific video requests, leave them down below in the comment section and I will try to accommodate them. Some of the things I'm gonna wait until I'm no longer pregnant to do. So yeah, that's gonna be it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.